Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls for your speaker QCY SP7. So right here at the top we have all controls, and now let's start with the power button. So with the power button, if you press and hold it, you can turn off or turn on the speaker. Now if you press one time, you will swap between LED light modes. So I just press one time, and as you can see, I swap between them. Now, if you press two times at the power button, you will turn off or turn on LED light mode. So 1, 2, I just turn off it, 1, 2, and I turn on it. Then we have Bluetooth button. So with the Bluetooth button, if you press and hold this button, you will enter to pairing mode and you can connect your device. If you I missed. If you press and hold, you will enter to TVS mode, and if you press one time, you will disable TVS mode. To enter pairing mode, you need to only press one time at the Bluetooth button. It starts blinking blue. It means that you enter to pairing mode. Then we have volume up button, and with volume up button you can increase the volume. So let me play some video, I will show you. So you can increase the volume by press one time or press and hold. And with minus button you will lower the volume, but again press or press and hold. Then we have play pause button, and with play pause button you can play or pause the song by press one time. I just paused the video, now I play this video, or the song, it works the same for it. If you press two times at the play pause button, you will call voice assistant, 1, 2, and as you can see I have iOS, so I will call, I called Siri. If you have Android, you will call Google Assistant, or maybe Gemini, or maybe Bixby, you have Samsung. Also, you can reject a call by pressing this button. And with volume up button, you can press two times and you will play next track or next video, 1, 2. Now to play previous video you need to use volume down button, 1, 2. And as you can see, it works. Then we have Equalizer button, and you can swap between Equalizer presets. So, but right here by default we have 3 presets: default, indoor, outdoor, and with this button you will swap between default and outdoor. So as you can see, I swap between it. I do not swap with indoor preset or with my custom preset. And that's it. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!